in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide your browsing history from appearing on the Windows 11 search results page. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the left panel, select personalization. And then on the right side, scroll down and select start. And where it says show websites from your browsing history, click inside the oval to toggle that off, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.